इधर रुकना नहीं, सीट दबा के जाओ, सीट दबा के दबा के दबा के।
By now, you would have realized what I faced on this journey, a solo ride from Bangalore to Ladakh via Kashmir. Ladakh is not a destination. Ladakh is a journey which you can cherish your entire life. But today I'm not going to share my experience. I would talk to people around and find out why they want to come to Ladakh.
So ready. So you have 4 questions. Your name, from where you are coming, what mode of transport you are using, and why Ladakh you are coming.
My name is Faiz from Kerala. I have Himalayan bike.
I am Jidin from Kerala. My bike is NS200.
I'm Devanshu and I'm from Rohtak, Haryana.
So we are coming from Bombay and he's Piren, I'm Tejal, Pramoda and Raju. We have come by Innova car and we have met Mr. Saroj from Bangalore.
So I am Praful Goyal. I am traveling from Delhi.
मेरा नाम है प्रियम मित्तल, मैं आगरा से आया हूँ.
मेरा नाम रोहन है, मैं मुंबई से हूँ. मैं बाइक से यहाँ पे लद्दाख में आया हूँ.
My name is Sumon. I am from West Bengal, Siliguri, and I arrived here yesterday. I started from Manali by bike.
मजे करो भाई, मौसम के मजे लो, एक ही जिंदगी है भाई, जी भर के जी लो भाई, कुछ नहीं होता जिंदगी में. जिंदगी 2 पल की, फिर ना मिलेगी दोबारा. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. तब मजे लो भाई. करो भाई, सपोर्ट करो और ऊपर बढ़ाओ ताकि और अच्छे ब्लॉग डालते रहेंगे भाई.
Thank you. Both of you, right? Okay. And
Then we are going to Leh. That's my dream.
then why Leh? Why not any other place? What
That's
makes
my
you
dream.
think? What makes you think that you should go to Leh on a motorcycle, crossing entire India from south to north?
എന്താ മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ എന്താ ഉത്തരം കിട്ടണ്ടേ? എന്താ പറയടാ?
Anything that comes to your mind.
One and only, that's my dream.
Okay, so this is your dream ride to
Yeah.
start from Kerala and come to Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Okay, are you planning to do Kashmir as well?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And I am now continuing my All India ride.
Okay.
Ladakh is just one of my place in All India ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are covering almost the entire India
All India. Yeah. We are
on this
going to
bike,
Northeast.
and then
we
you
are, after Ladakh we are going to Northeast.
Northeast also you are going. My God, you guys are amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we love Ladakh. Ladakh is the beautiful place on earth.
The motto of coming to Ladakh is loving the nature.
Yes. And it has beautiful paradise.
Beautiful
It
paradise
has
in
all
the world.
views at one place. Beautiful paradise in the world.
We can't see anywhere else in this.
It's just a beauty.
India is a very good
Place.
country to see each and everything. The people are going outside, but India is too big to see. While Ladakh, in place Ladakh and with Rohtan,
Khardungla.
Kandukla place.
I think everything that you get around the world, you get everything in India.
India. We have been to Switzerland, Turkey. It is Cappadocia is here. Even the mountains of Switzerland, Snowland, everything is here. So it is having all the beauty of the world
Heaven
at one
on
place in
earth.
Ladakh. Enjoy. Do come to Ladakh.
Thanks. Thank
Come to Ladakh and enjoy the beauty. Nowhere else you can see this.
And Ladakh, that's a must visit in a life. Like everyone must have experience of this. Jannat hai boss. And
आप कैसे आए यहाँ?
I came here from this. This is our car.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can come here from bike also. That's also like experience, must visit experience. I must.
So you
say.
haven't done till now?
No, we haven't done.
So you definitely would be doing it. With
Yeah, I'll definitely looking for that in forward. Yeah,
a dream
that's
ride
first-
kind of thing.
Actually, a dream ride.
Okay.
This is the must visit place. Ladakh is something beyond everything. Like you can't have anything same like that in India. It's the only one place in India. Yeah.
Thank you
First
so
of all,
much.
Thank you.
यहाँ पर और इसलिए आया हूँ कि यहाँ का मतलब वेदर और यहाँ की वैलीज वगैरह सब इंजॉय कर सकूँ और बाइक ट्रिप जो भी है यहाँ का रास्ता यहाँ के पहाड़ सब कुछ इंजॉय करने आया हूँ। यहाँ का कल्चर, यहाँ का तिब्बतन फूड एंड ऑल सब कुछ।
और आए कैसे हो?
मैं आया हूँ यहाँ से अपनी खुद की रोड ट्रिप से आया हूँ बाई कार। लेह मनाली हाईवे पार कर कर रोड भी मतलब थोड़ा ख़राब मिला पर ठीक है, लेकिन एडवेंचरस था, एडवेंचर तो वही है। और अब यहाँ पर हमने बुलेट कर लिया है और हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से नुब्रा वैली से पेंगोंग लेक जाएंगे और हम बाइक ट्रिप से हम पूरा बाइक से घूमेंगे।
I took a flight to Leh, and then from here we have taken a mix of bikes and private taxis as well. And this is my second trip to Ladakh, mostly because of the varying kinds of landscapes we have here and the hospitality of the people.
And Ladakh is my dream. Actually,
Is this your first time?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think between 2 or 3 years, I will come back again.
Oh wow.
And it will be solo ride from my city by bike.
अभी हम लोग हैं जिस्पा में। वाई लद्दाख, इसका आंसर ये रहेगा कि क्योंकि मैं जब से बाइकिंग चालू किया लास्ट 10-12 ईयर्स से, तो मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीडिशन राइड ये लद्दाख था, जहाँ पे हम लोग पेंगोंग में गए थे और पेंगोंग में 2 या 3 दिन का कैंप स्टे किया था। तो लद्दाख इज़ लाइक अ पैराडाइज फॉर मी, मतलब ये राइड। और मैं अभी फ़िलहाल इंडिया राइड पे हूँ, तो लद्दाख इसीलिए मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि पूरे इंडिया में जितने भी स्टेट्स और यूटीज़ मैंने घूमा हूँ, तो सबसे ब्यूटीफुल और बहुत ही कामिंग प्लेस मुझे लगा है लद्दाख, इसलिए मैं लद्दाख में आया हूँ ऐसे।